Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily find out all the articles that you have read on Facebook. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so let's get started without wasting a single second. So first of all, open up the Facebook app on your phone, and once you're on this page you'll have to tap on the menu on the bottom right corner and then tap on that gear icon on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Facebook account. Now, once you're on this page, you'll have to scroll down all the way and then tap on activity log in your activity section. And then you'll have to tap on your Facebook activity. And after that, tap on manage posts. And once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on filters on the top left corner and then tap on categories. And then you'll have to tap on articles you've read, and right on this page you'll be able to find all the news articles or other articles that you've read on Facebook by opening the link. And you'll also be able to find the date that when you read those articles. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions